Om. Good evening, everybody. Kev Yogi Vinodanand from India. So, this video of mine is a tribute to my American friend who happens to be a Buddhist monk. Thank you, Tiger, for sending me the artificial intelligence. Within seconds, it can define, number of shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Puran, Hatha Yoga. But here is a point, here is a caution rather. Artificial intelligence is created by the human mind. And whatever answers we are put, questioning, answering, it's good for the fun, for the play. But if you want to define Gita, to define God, one has to transform himself into the God. So here goes the question. So artificial intelligence, for example. Now I'm trying to perfect my headstand for us together, as it takes to timelessness beyond this solar system time. Brahmaloka's time. 1 day of Brahmaloka is equivalent to 1 day of the Mahayuga. Mahayuga means Dwapar, Kalyug, Treta, Kalyug, Dwapar, Treta, Satyug. If we include all the yugas, and it takes 1 day, and the knowledge comes, this is timelessness. So now here is the question. If you put any question in the artificial intelligence, what happens after the headstand practitioner? What happens to the practitioner? What kind of transformation it is after 3 hours of headstand followed by celibacy? So here, these are good things. It's a message to the Western world. We are all human. Beyond dualism, what happens? I put a question to the artificial intelligence. What happens after beyond dualism? Who has not perceived dualism, who has not perceived samadhi, so the answers can never be valid. So it's a wonderful how we have evoluted from the caves. Thank you, Tiger, for sending me the artificial intelligence. But no, here comes again Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13, shloka 2. What wisdom is. Forget about God. What about what life and death is? The first thing, what wisdom is. In Hindi we call it Panditya. Jnani hona. That is, the wisdom is first to have the knowledge of this kshetra, and the kshetragya means the body, and the knower of this body who is talking now, who is hearing now. It means first the knowledge of all the 84 lakh species of this world. Then the knowledge of the knower. This is wisdom. This is how we define wisdom. Ask in artificial intelligence what is wisdom. How they define. Every material which has been put in the computers is with the human minds, and the human mind means it should be the answers beyond, as Lord Krishna has said. Shastra says, dualism, God, soul, it's beyond words. So how can the artificial intelligence explain you in the language? It's a game of perception. So Tiger, thanks for your artificial intelligence apps. These are good human endurance. But we have not to get misled by the definitions of the artificial intelligence. It has its own limits. It can, in the missiles and the tanks, submarines, of course, it can target. It can hit to the accurate, with accurate 100%. But it's not spiritualism. So Tiger, thank you for what you have sent me. And now I go in for, ask the artificial intelligence what happens after the 3 hours of headstand. A person who has never observed celibacy, if we put his answers in artificial intelligence, what we are going to gain from that. So here I am going to perfect my headstand. It's a message to all the yoga centers, yogis. Before preaching, let's find out, introspect ourselves, whether I have got the knowledge, wisdom of all the 84 lakh species and the knower, then go in for teaching. We are all God. Everything is God here. Even the ignorance Ignorant too is enjoying the world is the Lord. But when you come as a preacher, as the yoga preacher, if you are going to teach headstand, you should be able to do headstand at least for 1 hour, followed by celibacy. This is what we need in India too. Okay, Tiger, here I go as a part of my practice. Before I teach others, before I become a yoga guru, I must be able to perform yoga headstand for hours. Now as a part of my practice in the evening, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, join me. Most welcome to India. Kumbh is approaching. Here I go. Om Shah. Enjoy the chirping of the birds. This is how. Hoom, 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 hoom. Ooh.